guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks, and we're back today on this Fly Girl Sunday with the what's in my bag and any cutesy little new things we got going on. Okay, so happy Sunday. Hope you guys had a good week and everything. Yesterday I did do my own nails. I did my own little cute Gel X nails. This is a Model Ones nail polish. Got it off of Amazon, and I used this Beetles nail kit. This cute little, very affordable Beetles nail kit. I think when I bought it, maybe last year, it was like $13. So I'm gonna try to link it in maybe my LTK. If you guys don't know, I do have an LTK. And also, if you guys want to support the channel and continue to help me grow and continue to help my little Fly Girls business, I'll tell you guys about that in a second. But I also am on Buy Me a Coffee. There is no set amount that you have to provide or anything. Anything is greatly appreciated, and it goes towards my channel and my little business. So also I do have my Fly Girls merch up now. It is on my website, so I will go ahead and also link that down below. Just cutesy and just chilling, okay, on this Sunday. So honestly, this bag is just so gorgeous. Yesterday I wore her out for the full day. She's just beautiful. First, I think she's such a new, cute, modern design for Chanel. Super fabulous. I'm so glad I got her in this colorway because this can definitely go throughout all the seasons. So I love that. So yeah, so like I said, love the strap. She's so comfortable and easy. And again, you can tighten the bag. You just hold down the CCs. You can tighten, and obviously to loosen the bag, you just do that and pull it down. So this is how I got her today. This is everything that's inside. Got my little mini pochette. On either side, there's some pockets. I got some perfume, my AirPods, and all that. So let me just pull out my mini pochette. So this bag is just so cute and very cool girl and fly. So again, I just have my little cosmetics in here. I always have my little Ione lip oil, my same everyday little lip combo. You guys know I have that all the time. Any little extra lipsticks, a little powder, and I also have my my little feminine products. So it's always good to keep a little mini pochette on you. This is from the little LV denim collection. So I do have the full pouch and everything, but I honestly, this bag, the whole bag, I hardly use either. So I was like, oh, let me just, it's a cute little fun mix to go against this bag. You guys know my everyday wallet, my everyday nail kit. Now that I'm back into the swing of doing my own nails, got my little nail kit. And then I have my keys as well. Virgil Abloh key clay. And then I have my Love Shack Fancy. This is the Sweetheart scent. This perfume smells so good. Such a pretty, feminine, floral, sweet, creamy raspberry scent. Like, that's how I can describe it. So good. I definitely need the full-size bottle. So I love that. Speaking of fragrance, you guys, I am also going to be working with a perfume company soon. So I can't wait to show you guys those cute little dupes, okay? It's gonna be so nice just to show you guys some new scents. You guys know I am definitely into my smell goods, okay? We gotta be smelling good. We gotta be smelling fresh. Just have like a little old extra lip gloss. And in that back pocket here, I don't have anything. But this bag is just so comfy, and this is the, I always forget if this is the small or the medium. I want to say small. Staying tuned to my shorts. As always, I'm gonna link my cute little online shop down below. So we do have a t-shirt, hoodie, and a pair of pants. Super cute. Fly Girls is the name, okay? Because we fly, whether it's on a budget, not on a budget, every day. And remember that when you look good, you feel good, and all of that. So yeah, guys, that's what we got going on right now. I'm definitely trying to get into my lip glosses again as well. So just kind of looking at some different vendors and stuff like that. You guys know I am up on the lip combos. Today I did a little different lip combo with a little darker lip liner and stuff like that, but definitely want to be going back into the lip glosses, lip liners, and all that cute stuff. And hopefully maybe I could get into blush and highlighter. I've always been a blush girly, but recently I've been into just the like quick blush, highlight, and a lip combo. So you guys can see how I have on today. I don't even have on no concealer. I just have on a little bit of translucent powder underneath my eyes, blush, little highlights, and lip combo. So that has been like my daily thing. I also might be putting up jewelry on the website. So just lots of cutesy girly things, you guys. So stay tuned. If you guys want to send me anything, just let me know as well. You guys can hit me up here in the comments, or also you can email me. So thank you guys so much for watching and coming back and staying tuned to our new series, Fly Girl Sundays Vibe. And check out my Fly Girl shop down below, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.